First day on site. Nobody knows where to go. No one's trained. And you're already behind. You are paying for orientation. But what are you really getting? Missed info, fake signatures, lost time. Top Flight from SafeSite makes orientation simple. A custom video, a secure link, real-time photo proof. Every worker gets certified, every photo stored, every second tracked, so you know they saw it and finished it. No guessing, no gray areas, just a crew that's ready before they ever show up. If they thought no one was watching, SafeSite was.